good.
I don't do this though. It's so frustrating.
I don't do this either.
It's gotta be honest. Honesty.
I'm sorry.
Babe, it's gotta be in my bag.
Please and thank you. I got bit once. I want to get bit again. Okay.
I think I've been nothing but fair in giving you multiple opportunities to be honest.
I agree.
I can't help what you do after that.
I agree.
You got bits?
Can this have to stay on?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're under arrest.
That's I don't know about that.
Do you have anything here? I don't want to send you to jail in a bikini. So.
On May 5th, 2024, a body cam recorded a textbook case of legal escalation. Not because of what someone did, but because of what they chose to say.
What does that mean? Are you lying about something? Okay. So, why did you lie after I gave you multiple?
It's just stressful.
I gave you an option. Put your head behind that.
You lied about your name?
And date of birth.
Not my name though.
Doesn't matter. You make me do extra work.
I can have my phone.
How old are you?
19.
Okay.
Babe, you're not.
I literally said to you, oh, she's going to jail. She's getting criminally charged. What did I say? What did I say? I said, are you the first person under 21 to drink alcohol? I think I've been nothing but fair, and I gave multiple opportunities. Okay?
I understand.
I literally asked you 3 times, are you over 21? Are you over 21? Every time, yes, yes, yes. What's your name and day of birth? You gave me the same name and day of birth twice. Okay? I literally gave you every opportunity to be honest with me, and you continue to lie. So now you're getting charged with a crime.
I've never been in a situation.
Okay, so you've never been in a situation. The answer is not to lie to the police. After I literally said to you, if you be honest with me, nothing bad is going to happen. Did I not say that? Did I say you're not the first person under 21 to drink alcohol? Did I not say that also?
You did.
Okay.
I understand.
547.
547.
Then I have a female 1015.
1015 is 1522.
This isn't what I do. That's the thing. I just don't do this ever.
We're turning simple civil stuff into criminal.
I know.
That's criminal now.
I know, and I'm.
Okay, she provided a fake date of birth to me twice. We're done. I've given every opportunity to come honest and everything.
Literally.
What's your real birthday?
2004.
Okay. It would have been a lot
it's
easier.
11/29, 2004.
Okay.
Good.
I don't do this though. It's so frustrating.
I don't do this either.
It's gotta be honest. Honesty.
I'm sorry.
Babe, it's gotta be in my bag.
Please and thank you. I got bit once. I want to get bit again. Okay.
I think I've been nothing but fair in giving you multiple opportunities to be honest.
I agree.
I can't help what you do after that.
I agree.
You got bits?
Can this have to stay on?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're under arrest.
I don't know about that.
Do you have anything here? I don't want to send you to jail in a bikini. So. Connor, let's go.
I think it has a.
This is her stuff. This is criminal provide. I literally said what was going to happen. If you give me fake information, that'd be providing false information to law enforcement.
You can see my other. If you hold on the screen, you can see my other one. I think
is this her stuff? Listen,
sir, I'm
5 seconds.
I'm trying, sir. I really am.
We'll put that on. When we get out of it, let's get out of the limelight. We're in the midst of everything. Is that your bag?
What else do you have?
Is that all
I
your
just don't know if
stuff?
all my stuff's in it.
Okay. What are you looking for? A phone?
I think it's just my phone. I don't know where I put it. It's so scary.
Your mother took a firearm from He's going to be 26-year-old.
A little bit, bro. I'm telling you, you're gonna. Is this yours right here?
you're gonna win. It's bad. I don't like
We'll do you first.
I hate the ocean. He's I'm about to call it a little fish. He's in the ocean, they're trapped in the urine.
Is that true?
Hey, we'll get a mugshot.
It's like right there.
It ain't good, but
Yeah, that'd be great.
it's better than getting a criminal record, not getting a mugshot.
Try 47 CD.
Only I was like flexible to like do that.
I know you're busy with that D3 call, but alright, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take your handcuffs off. I doubt you're gonna do anything stupid, right? You're gonna put this on so we can speed up this process.
Can I put on the
You can put on
thing?
whichever one you want.
Because it has shorts, so it's just easier.
I'm taking your handcuffs off completely.
Okay.
So I gotta go back on after, but
Okay.
I doubt you're gonna do something stupid to make this situation way worse than it needs to be,
Definitely
right?
not.
Okay. I don't.
Oh.
So good.
547, did you have
No,
I think I might stand up, I
something
might piss my pants.
Awful.
Just trying to advise PT that we're in the Hilton parking lot. They just seem to keep lapping the traffic circle.
Okay. We spoke to them on the phone and told them exactly where to go and what you told us, so I'm not certain what their issue is.
Copy, and there's no way to put myself in contact with one of them.
Okay.
I just gotta put these back on. I'm not gonna put them tight, so. Do not slip them or do anything.
No, that's fine.
Again, we don't want to make this worse than it's.
No, I understand.
Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't want them to tighten.
I didn't get through it, I was fine.
All right.
Is that good?
Yep. I think we should just drive to them because this is ridiculous.
That way.
No, you go that way.
It's worse if your document has an official minor.
Down this way. Separate your feet.
Right here.
There we go. Right, pick up in the front. Come to the front. Is there any chance you're pregnant?
No.
Okay.
Did they change that to a suspicious event?
They did. They took care of it, I guess. So he wasn't waving it. He was just on his possession. Yeah.
Yeah.
Arm a little bit.
I'm separated.
You said
You're not going anywhere near
Stay
it.
with him.
You're not going anywhere near it.
Sorry.
You might even get a show when they get out of jail because they might
I don't want to know if I want that.
and they're gonna rip him probably out of there. So don't worry.
You have anything anywhere. Careful when you head over there, okay? You can he's over here or yeah, just over there.
Okay, this is your stuff.
1. Avoidable decision converted a minor civil infraction into a permanent criminal record. Part 1. The legal framework. The controlling federal statute is the National Minimum Drinking Age Act of 1984. It compels all 50 states to prohibit the purchase, possession, and consumption of alcohol by anyone under 21. A first-time minor in possession charge, MIP, is typically a Class C misdemeanor or a civil infraction in most jurisdictions. Penalties range from a monetary fine to community service or a suspended license. This is where the incident should have closed. Part 2, Offense 1, Minor in Possession. MIP is a strict liability offense. Intent is legally irrelevant. Whether the subject was aware of the law has no bearing on guilt. The act alone, consuming alcohol under age, satisfies every element of the offense. No defense of good faith, No defense of ignorance. Guilt attaches at the moment of consumption. Part 3. Offense 2. False identification to a law enforcement officer. This is where the case fundamentally changes. Providing a false name and date of birth to an officer conducting an active investigation constitutes a separate and independent criminal charge, not derived from the MIP violation. Texas Penal Code Section 38.02, providing false identification to a peace officer, Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to 180 days in county jail and a $2,000 fine. The subject provided false information twice. California Penal Code Section 148.9, false personation to law enforcement, up to 1 year in county jail. Florida Statutes Section 843.02, obstruction by false identification, a first-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year imprisonment. These are not outliers. The overwhelming majority of U.S. jurisdictions carry equivalent statutes with comparable penalties. The legal consequence is cumulative. 1 civil infraction plus 1 criminal charge, filed separately, prosecuted separately, recorded separately on a permanent background check. Part 4. Mens rea and the collapse of viable defense. Mens rea is criminal intent, and it was established on camera. The officer issued an explicit verbal warning before the subject provided false information. That single act of disclosure is legally decisive. It invokes ignorantia juris non excusat. Ignorance of the law is no excuse, and eliminates any subsequent claim of misunderstanding. When a subject provides false information after a direct and documented warning, the element of willful and deliberate deception is established beyond reasonable dispute. The Bodycam recording becomes Exhibit A, a self-contained evidentiary record that corroborates the charge, documents the warning, and captures the lie. Part 5. Officer Conduct Analysis. The officer's execution meets and exceeds minimum professional and legal standards. Voluntary pre-action disclosure of legal consequences. Not required by law, but it creates a documented good faith record that strengthens the prosecution's position in court. Proportional application of restraint, accommodation of basic dignity during arrest, and meticulous radio coordination, all captured and time-stamped on Bodycam. Part 6. Scoring. Officer. 9 out of 10. 1 point deducted. Identity verification should be initiated earlier in the contact sequence. Subject. 2 out of 10 on legal decision-making. Every additional point of contact after the initial warning represented another opportunity to self-correct. Refused. Part 7. Lessons learned. Lesson 2. False identification is a standalone charge in the vast majority of U.S. jurisdictions, fully independent of the originating offense and fully cumulative in sentencing. Lesson 3. Once warned and still deceptive, a subject legally forfeits all grounds for leniency. The documented warning converts the lie into evidence of premeditated, willful criminal intent. Lesson 4. Every word spoken to a law enforcement officer in an active investigation is potential courtroom testimony. Bodycam footage has no edits, no gaps, no ambiguity. Lesson 5. The original offense determined the ceiling of legal jeopardy. The subject's own words determined what actually happened. 7 minutes of footage, 2 charges, 1 civil, 1 criminal, 1 entirely preventable outcome. The law does not punish mistakes, it punishes deception. And unlike mistakes, deception is always a choice. Subscribe for more real-world legal analysis drawn directly from Bodycam evidence. No commentary, no speculation, just the law.